Hello guys,
Hey
welcome
guys.
to another video.
So now here we are in Central Station, and today we're going to show you the most beautiful parts of Brussels. And if you haven't watched it yet, how we got here to Central Station in Brussels, make sure you watch the former video of how we got here from the airport to Central Station.
By train.
Yes! So let's go and watch more of Brussels.
Yes!
Hey there, we are now at Marché Zozerbe, and on Friday and Saturday there's a very nice handicraft market here, and you will see this square is really lively. There's lots of live music often, and there's one of the nice Häagen-Dazs where you can have some great ice cream,
Yes,
and waffles.
Yes, that's true. And then just in front of the street where you can come to the Grand Place. So let's go. So we are now in front of the Häagen-Dazs, and
Yes.
just next to the Häagen-Dazs is the Galerie Saint-Hubert.
Which you definitely have to visit. There's a lot of good shops, and even a very old cinema, and also a theater.
Yes,
And yeah, you definitely want to visit it. It's very beautiful.
let's go.
So we are here at an amazing store. It's called La Folie des Cadeaux, the craziness of gifts. You find here gifts that are so special and
Unique.
If you know the comic book of Hergé, Tintin, so there's lots of nice gifts around Tintin. So yeah, check it out. It's so fun to watch.
It's very special comic books.
So this is such a beautiful, delicious shop. It's not only beautiful to watch, but it has so many nice, not only chocolates, it has lollipops and everything you will dream of whenever you are a child, and even as an adult, to see what you want to taste. Come and let's go inside.
You are in the dreamland, right?
This is so amazing. Look at this here, old fashioned. not far from the central station is the Grand Place, and you want to watch this in the evening because there's lots of light shows and beautiful buildings.
And there's a lot of animation, you
Yes,
can say, right?
yes.
The street animation and also all the terrace is lively.
So very lively. You want to try, you want to look at this. This is, a lot of people always sit on the floor even to enjoy just to watch the beautiful buildings here.
And often there is some kind of festival.
Yes.
So this time there will be a dance festival from Vlaanderen.
Yes. So every time there's something else going on, there's also in summer often a flower carpet
Yes.
that you want to see. And yeah,
It's a beautiful place. I think it's more than a couple of 100 years old.
yes, even from the 1600s.
Yes.
So they even have a festival where they show from the Middle Ages, where people are dressed like the Middle Ages, and that's really.
Oh, he's there.
So you getting married?
Yeah!
This is nostalgia for us because the first night when we went out, we went to this discotheque here in the Grand Place. Now it's not a discotheque anymore; it's closed. But what do you think when you see this?
Oh, yeah, it's strange to see. It was strange in a way that how small the door is going inside, but inside there is very nice, beautiful.
Beautiful cave kind of
Yes.
a discotheque it was.
Yes.
And that was how many years ago?
32 years ago.
32 years ago. You see?
Yeah.
So you see, we are here in the Rue de Charles. And here behind the statue, a lot of people are touching it. Believe that it brings luck that you can touch it.
Yes.
And in the same street, if you walk towards the end, you will see on the left side, you will see Monaco Piss.
Yes.
So let's go and, because Brussels is very known for that story.
Yeah. Let's go.
Lot of places in the street. You will see Tintin, so the comic book Tintin, that you Belgian comic strip artists.
Yeah, they draw it on the wall.
Yeah. So this is from the Red Devils, the Diable Rouge from the soccer from Belgium. So when you go to Port, Belgian team, this is what you need to wear for soccer. So the most famous French fry place here is street
Actually, it should be Belgian fry.
called, yeah, it's actually called Frietland. It's called Frietland.
Yes, I think it will not be complete the visit of Brussels without eating French fries.
Absolutely. So
Right?
you can find it next to the Bourse
Yes.
and not far from Volstaff in the same street.
Yes.
And perpendicular to the Rue de Midi.
Yeah.
So
Let's,
I'm gonna eat some now too.
yeah, let's go to buy some and test Brussels fries. Yeah?
Two different sauces. One is samurai, it's really spicy. American is also spicy. People like samurai, I like American. You should try both. Long time I haven't tasted this good fries. So not far from Frietland, we are here at the Bourse, and it's very nice. Just in front of the Bourse, you have
The left corner
left
in front.
It's called the area of Saint-Géry, with lots of great restaurants and bars.
Yes.
You definitely want to go there. It's very lively. Let's go. We are here in Grand Hospice. It's not far from Saint-Géry. It's about 10 minutes walk. It's a very beautiful inner garden on a side street through the Laken. Lots of activities here also throughout the day. You can eat here, you can drink here. There's also
Oh, there is table
activities
tennis.
like yoga sometimes, and other activities. So what's so great about this Grand Hospice that you have lots of activities. You can see they do yoga, Zumba, even they live here with the. They're gonna go also biking from here.
So it's
Activities for
Monday
the
to
kids.
Sunday
Yes.
open.
Yeah.
So guys, we showed you the beautiful places in Brussels, and you can combine it with daytime and evening time, right?
Yes, you can come here daytime, evening. You love to watch them both in the evening and in the daytime. And this is just the beginning. This is only day one. So make sure you watch the other videos and subscribe and like to our channel.
And comment below what did you like.
Look forward to seeing you in the next video. We want to help you live life to the fullest.
Take care. Bye bye.